Hi, let me help you to progress in chess faster. In this video, I want to show you features of the Lichess.org platform, how you can analyze the games by yourself, analyze openings by yourself, solve puzzles, watch broadcasts, etc, etc. I want to describe you the features of the platform that you can use and you will progress faster and better in chess. So let's start immediately. And here we have a main screen of this website. So except playing by press the button here, we can, for example, go for the tools analysis board. And after that, the board with the analysis is here and we can type the moves, right? And as well, you see that we have a masters database here. So that is the database of openings, how the players are playing. So for example, let's just type some Ruy Lopez line here. We can see that A6 is the main move, 72% of the Masters games. Masters games is the games of the high-rated players, been played 72% of the times here. Here the number of games and the results, 31% white won, 50% draw, 20% blacks won. If you will scroll it down here, you will see the best rated games on this opening. So as well, if you will press here, you can add the computer to analyze. I prefer to have 3 lines of computer analysis. You can set it up like here, yes, so the multipath lines. Because I don't want to follow only one line. I want to see some other options, how to use and analyze on the Lichess, right? So 3 lines is good here. We can see the assessment in the pawns, right, and the lines that computer suggests. As well, if we want to see this deeply, we can scroll it like that and we will see how the position is changing according to the computer. Stockfish 16, currently for the moment, the best engine, basically. So, as well, you can see the database Lichess if you will press here. So now you can see how the players are playing here online. And the interesting moment that here you can also see the games, the best performed games on the platform, and as well you can do the rating, like the average rating, right? So what do I mean? I can set up that show me the players only from 1800 till to the 2500, right? As well, I can exclude sometimes, like for example, I want to exclude bullet games from theoretical issues because I can't take bullets so serious, right? In this point. So here you can do the sets that you really want and analyze, right? By analyzing, you can also add some special marks. We will come to that. And yes, using this. And as well, you can type player and the Lichess will collect your games on this position. So how you played online recently. If you want to save your analysis, here you can do like this. Press this 3 dots and then study. And now create study. And we are coming for the some new study. You can do the name how you want. You can do this public so everybody can see this, or you can do this unlisted. I prefer to do it like this because unlisted study you can show to others by sending the link and they can join it. Without the link they can't join, they can't see this study on the platform. So start here, yes. And here, for example, you can do the marks, right? Just below the position, like for example, good move, white is slightly better, right? So now we can see everything on the board, and here you can put some text comments as well to have to save your ideas, right? And that would be saved. And the point is that Lichess Studios is saving automatically your analysis, so you can log out, come back, and you see that everything is saved, right? So you can analyze by using this. As well, they will give you some hints on the theory that also could be. So here you can add members and you can add chapters. For example, you finish to analyze the line and you can have a new chapter. You can also choose the name of this and analyze some other line. So it's perfectly good for analyzing openings and analyzing your own games, right? You can also collect your online and offline games to the studios and analyze them to see the mistakes and so on. By the way, you can change the accuracy of the game in each game, just like below here, right? It's also could be possible. So that's how to use this feature. So create studies, save it, and you can always return them. Very useful for opening issues. You can always return, you can share it, and so on and so on and so on. So that's great. The other feature I want to speak about is to learn, right? So here you can see like chess basics, practices, coordinates, interesting game. If you struggles, you have a training for seconds, right? So c6, h4, how many squares you can put it in time. So it's nice training to learn the coordinates. Also, you can see like practice here to learn some basic tactics and so on. Some basic theory about the rook's endgames as well. So you can learn here a lot. As well, puzzles. Puzzles is a really great tool for you to progress. The more you're solving, the better you are. You're remembering tactical patterns and so on and so on. As well, here you can do the puzzles dashboard. And you can see what are the best topics, what are the weakest topics. You can see your strengths, you can see your weaknesses and so on, improvement areas, right, where you should improve. And you can also see the puzzles that collected from your games. You see, yeah, so people are solving puzzles from my game. I can be proud of that, right? So you can do the same on the Lichess if you're playing interesting. Okay, puzzles. Very important, use this feature, analyze with the dashboard and so on. It's really cool feature for you. Then you can use watch broadcasts. And here we have all great tournaments that are going right now. For example, I can see the broadcast of the Norway chess, right? I can put on the screen with the computer analysis, with the chat here, with everything like that. I can analyze and I can frequently add some of my lines. For example, I want to analyze this move, right? Then I will just refresh the page and we will see that it works in another way. Yeah, so I'm using this broadcast as well. Very useful tool. That's basically the main things that you can use. As well, you can use reports on your own games, so what are your weak sides or strength sides, but it's mostly about the playing, right? It's not about the learning. But broadcast, studies, how to work on the opening, how to save your games, analyze them, puzzles, that is the tool that you definitely need to progress in chess. So use Lichess, it's very easy, it's user-friendly, and it's for free. I hope that you enjoyed my guide and that was useful. If you have any questions on my guide or you want to have some details about something in Lichess, let me know in the comments and I will try to film a video about that. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and press bell and see you on my new videos.